风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and winning this year's Golden Melody Awards for Best Hakka Singer is Huang Zixuan. And here's a song that he did called About Dim Sum, or Im Cha I Si.
初下先对一杯茶，香片无量，马里香。最愛嘅異時間，異時間，思春呀留下，見到到兩隻一隻手指解距離，所以嘅改變，乃嘅異常，無奈點都改點心腸。也是退變化，因為路子會走，飲茶也是唔是繞口，唔是繞口。馬照表，舞照跳，但飲茶唔是突發。
Again, the song is called About Dim Sum, or Im Cha I Si. It's by Golden Melody's best Hakka singer Huang Zixuan, off of his new album New Soul, which was produced and arranged by emerging R&B star The Crane, or He. Now, the song's style is elegant and delicate, depicting the role that ceremony takes in life, making even the act of brewing tea a romantic gesture. The song honors the mundane by paying special attention to the body and spirit. Let's continue.
Một giây thang trong hình hiện ra Như xa dịp ký em mai sáng Hiểu lan suy biển hồ ba
收录在《牛骚》专辑中的《饮茶一次》《饮茶一丝》，让黄子轩拿下本届金曲最佳客语歌手奖，找来了新锐 R&B 创作人 He The Crane 担任制作与编曲，风格优雅细腻，写的是生活里的仪式感，把泡茶变成一种浪漫，是一种对日常的尊敬，也是一种修身养性的方式。Again, this album New Soul has won Huang Zixuan a couple of Golden Melody Awards. Congratulations! I'm Joseph Lin. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.